First, we will see teaching and examination scheme. There are total 6 subjects in third semester, out of which 5th course is Concrete Technology. Its course abbreviation is CTE. Its code is 22305. There are total 3 lectures in a week for this course and 2 hours practicals per batch. Total credit 5. Now we have theory examination of 70 marks, duration 3 hours. We have theory progressive assessment of 30 marks, which includes 2 class tests of 20 marks each. After conducting both the class tests, we will take average of both these class tests and add micro project marks to it. Total 30 marks for theory progressive assessment. It becomes total theory marks as 100 marks. Next, we have practical examination for 25 marks. For this subject, we have external oral. Next, practical progressive assessment for 25 marks. For that, student has to perform 12 practicals during the semester. Each practical consists of 25 marks. So total practical marks are 50. If we add both theory and practical marks, grand total becomes 150 for this particular course. And for the whole third semester, there are total 900 marks. Now, rationale. Concrete is the most widely used construction material today for different kinds of infrastructural development works. The versatility and moldability of the concrete and its high compressive strength have contributed largely to its widespread use in development and construction works. The contents of course will focus on learning about quality of concrete with regards to mix design, preparation, transporting, and placing in position for various structures. It will also provide guidelines for effective supervision and quality control of concreting works. Continuing further, with good knowledge of concrete materials, namely cement, aggregates, water, and admixtures, and concreting operations, namely selection of materials, mixed design, mixing, placing, compacting and finishing, curing, one can obtain concrete of desired workability and required strength. The content of this course will also enable students to acquire knowledge and skill for carrying out various tests on different materials of concrete for quality construction works. Effective learning on both aspects will assist students to become a useful professional civil engineer, contributing to the profession of construction and development works. Competency. The aim of this course is to help the students to attain the following: industry identified competency, through active engagement in various teaching learning experience. For this particular course, the relative competency is use relevant types of concrete in different site conditions. Course outcomes. First course outcome is use relevant types of cement in different site conditions. The student will attain this outcome after learning Unit 1. Second course outcome is use relevant aggregates for required concrete works. Similarly, student will attain this course outcome after learning Unit 2. Third course outcome, prepare concrete of desired compressive strengths. Fourth course outcome, prepare concrete of required specifications. Fifth course outcome, maintain the quality of concrete. Sixth course outcome, use relevant admixtures for concreting for different weather conditions. Practical outcomes or practicals. During the semester, we have total 18 practicals, out of which a student should complete 12 practicals. Students will be provided with required equipments or apparatus for conducting practicals. Procedures, required formulas, required background theory will be provided for each practical, and accordingly the assessment will be done. The table shows respective unit number. Now we will move to the syllabus. For this particular course, there are total 6 units. Unit 1, Cement. In this unit, we will study basic and the main chemical constituents of OPC, its properties, Bogi's compound, hydration, physical properties of OPC, different grades of OPC, testing of OPC, which includes field test and laboratory test as well, physical properties and IS specifications of different types of cements. And we have respective unit outcomes for this unit. Unit 2, Aggregates. In this unit, we will learn aggregates, their requirements, classifications, fine aggregates, its properties, coarse aggregates, its properties, water, quality of water, impurities in mixing water, and we have respective unit outcomes. Unit 3, Concrete. In this unit, we will study concrete, its necessity, water ratio, that is water cement ratio, properties of fresh concrete, properties of hardened concrete. Unit 4, Concrete Mixed Design and Testing of Concrete. In this unit, we will study concrete mixed design, its objective, its methods, testing of concrete, non-destructive testing of concrete, Rebound hammer test, its working, its principle, that is its working principle. Unit 5, Quality Control of Concrete. In this unit we will study concreting operations, forms for concreting, waterproofing, its importance, its need, methods, joints in concrete constructions, types, methods. Unit 6, Chemical admixtures in concrete, special concrete and extreme weather concreting. In this we will study admixture in concrete, its purpose, properties, applications. In special concrete we will study properties, advantages, limitations. In cold and hot weather concreting, its effects for cold and hot weather seasons. And concrete as industrial flooring material and various techniques. Now we will see question paper specification table. In this table you can see there are total 6 units. For unit 1, cement, total marks is 6 marks. Unit 2 carries 10 marks. Unit 3 carries 14 marks. Unit 4 carries 16 marks. Unit 5 carries 14 marks. Unit 6 carries 10 marks. So total becomes 70 marks. So you have 70 marks theory paper for this course. Now in this table you can see unit 1 carries 6 marks, out of which 2 marks are for R level. R level means remember level. Next, 2 marks carries for U level. U level means understanding level. Then 2 marks for A level. A level means application level. Likewise, you have for unit 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Learning resources. There are various books for reference. First, Concrete Technology, Gambhir ML, Tata. Second book, Concrete Technology, Shetty MS, S. Chand. Third book, Concrete Technology, Santha Kumar AR, Oxford University Press. Fourth book, Concrete Technology, Neville AM and Brooks JJ, Pearson Educations Private Limited. Fifth book, Properties of Concrete, Neville AM, Pearson's Education Private Limited.